Myself Utkarsh of class 8 from Dharpalan Memorial School. Today we are going to perform an activity on atmospheric pressure. The objective of this activity is to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. Material required for this activity: a glass with a smooth edge at the mouth and without a rim, a piece of stiff cardboard a little bigger than the mouth of the glass, and water. Procedure of this activity: first, fill the tumbler with water to a brim. The water is filled now. Second, cover the tumbler with the cardboard piece. Third, place the palm of your hand over the piece of cardboard and quickly invert the tumbler. Fourth, slowly remove your hand supporting the piece of cardboard. Observation of this activity: you will observe that the cardboard piece will not fall. C. The conclusion of this activity: atmospheric pressure from the outside of the cardboard piece provides enough force to oppose the force exerted by a full glass of water. Thank you.